welcome to another amazing day at fmtraining.tv. My name is Margaret. I'll be your broadcast engineer for today. I'm here with the wonderful Nick Hunter and Ken Tooley. Nick, what are we doing today?
So today it's the second day of this ChatGPT AI integration with FileMaker, and how we can use that with FileMaker, and how could it, how we can make our life easier using ChatGPT. Um, and we can make our life much easier, by the way. Okay, so um, this topic of the AI stuff like this, we're going to talk about that more. We're going to learn about it, even more, and because obviously, what I'm going to show you today, you will understand that definitely that will be a tool you're going to use. It's going to be always open on the side when you're going to build FileMaker stuff. And I hope one day FileMaker will integrate this inside FileMaker. So that's for sure that it's the logic step. Okay, so to integrate this inside FileMaker, and I will show you why. Okay, what can we do with ChatGPT? So really, what can we do? Let's start with something simple. Okay, something simple like this. I want to format this phone number, Greek phone number 69, because it always starts with 69. That the increase all the mobile phone numbers start with this. Okay, so this is what I get. So it formatted the phone number for me. Okay, so we can say for we can say 06, that in French. Okay, I'm making up the phone number. So this is a French phone number, formatted the French way. Okay, format this US phone number. So this is the 48 is the Silicon Valley. Okay, so formatted. So the US code in a US, original California. See, this is what you can do with the AI and integration, and you can ask ChatGPT to format your phone number, get you back the information, and then get the phone number formatted, right? So instead of getting super complicated custom function that don't format the phone number, if you have an international address book, you might need that, to format the phone number the right way. Okay. So this is the first thing you can do. This is easy. The other thing you can do before we go to the big stuff, right, is doing something like this. Here I have a code, okay, and I have many mistakes, right? So let's put mistakes. So if I do this, if I validate this, he said no, something wrong, and I don't want to waste my time trying to find out what's going on here. Okay, so I'm going to ChatGPT, new chat, fix this FileMaker code for me. Okay, so let's send them the code. So let's see what he's doing. Is it fixing or not? Apparently not. Okay, so it didn't fix all the problems. Okay, so he fixed one. He fixed this one, right? But it didn't fix this one. This won't work. See here, it didn't fix. So I can copy the code here. I can paste it here, right? But if I validate it, it will say no, right? Because this, okay, in that case, you can say it doesn't work. In the let function, in the let statements, something wrong. Let's see. He still don't see. He doesn't understand this. He understands that, but he didn't understand that. I think I'm using 3.5. I'm not using 4. ChatGPT 4 definitely will have this gone. But I don't have the. I need to pay for it, so I don't want. Uh, you know, uh, there's somewhere. So you know, somewhere there's that shouldn't be there. It didn't understand it. Okay, so he is incapable of fixing this. Okay, so he fixed all the problem, right? But he didn't fix this. He's incapable of fixing this. We can fix for it. You know,
I
so
wonder if you put the error message in that you get when you try and validate it. There's what is it? This unspecified field or something. Whatever FileMaker pops up there.
yeah.
I wonder if you gave ChatGPT that error.
Okay, let's try. Okay, so I made a mistake here. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, but let's do this first. Here, even the message on FileMaker doesn't make any sense. List
Unless
users
you
is
have that
not run
extra
in this calculation.
semicolon there.
I you know it's even this is not.
Yeah, that one always confused me, but I've learned that it usually means I've got a semicolon somewhere I should.
Okay, so let's do this. I get this message. Okay. Validating this calc. Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's getting too much. So we need to learn how to express ourselves here, because that the problem here we have is we don't know very well how to express ourselves, right? But I was hoping he was fixing this problem here. So let's see. So let's reformulate this. What's wrong with this code? Okay. You still can't find it. Let me see. No, see, he can't find it. Okay, so let's go somewhere else. Okay, because he can do that. Okay, he cannot fix this. He cannot remove that. He cannot understand this. Okay, so corrected variable name trigger. Why trigger modification one? So it tell you where you correct the name. So something else that is very useful. Okay, but anyway, if you remove that problem, right, and you do a problem like this, you have a misspelling here and you have a misspelling here. This definitely it will find it. It will find the problem. Let's do it again. New, fix this for me. So is it? I think it did. Because I have a problem here, right?
Yeah.
I have a product here, missing here. So he fixed this. He fixed the missing. He fixed he fixed many things.
Yeah,
So okay. If he's incapable of fixing this semicolon problem, but anyway, so if I can copy the code, right, like this, and then I can put it back here, right? I don't want to replace that code, but I can do it. Let's see if he validated. Why? Why? Oh, I'm in pilot. Okay, yeah. Yeah, so that's my fault. That's my fault because I was in balloon and I changed. Yeah, so that's my fault because I was doing. Yeah, no, it's because I was doing. Okay, ChatGPT remember what you were doing. Okay, it remember what you were doing. So I changed balloon to pilots. Okay, so that's what I was doing. So anyway, because you know, I'm in balloon. Why I'm in balloon here and say pilot here? I cannot be in balloon here. So let's, you know, why this airworthiness status go to balloon? Yeah, it
It's a
goes.
document from the balloon.
Yeah, but how it can
Why it's on
work?
the pilot side, I don't. Why we're looking at it from the pilot, I don't know.
You know. Oh yeah. Okay. It's okay. So what we can do also, and that is cool. What I'm going to show you is this. Okay, so I have a calc, right? And I want to change stuff, but I don't want to do it myself. Okay, so I have this calc here. I'm going here, and I'm going to say change. Okay, the occurrence balloon. Okay, to pilot. Okay,
Mhm.
so I did it, right? So it changed all what I was balloon, it changed to pilot. And he understand what to do, right? So I changed so now I can say also, okay, change this, okay, to Nick test one, for example, okay? So it changed. So this stuff here, this one has been changed into Nick test one, but all the reference as well in the calc. Okay. In the calc, I was referring to this here, here, and here. So it changed that here, here, here. It changed all. So you can easily, when you have a calc and you want to change something from the calc, right? You can do this, right? So that's cool, right?
And it didn't change the ones that had other words on it, like airworthiness valid.
No, because he understand, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Because he understand. So now, do we have any question here? I see we have a question from Twitch.
We do. Would ChatGPT write XSL import style templates for XML files?
Yeah, why not? He knows to code on many things. What XSL format? What is this? Oh, style sheet for
Like
import.
Yeah,
passing
it's
deal,
style
but
sheet language.
Yeah,
I
I've
think
never did that.
isn't that what FileMaker turns into when you
Yeah, I don't know about that.
when you export, because there's something where you export the entire file
Yeah.
and it turns
Yeah,
into
of course. Yeah, yeah, I know what you refer to now. Yeah, of course we can do that. He will understand. He will understand exactly what you're doing here, right? So you saw here. I can ask him to change many things, right? So I can even change the okay. Change fields. This to 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, for example, okay? Okay, so see, so I did it. He changed the pilot. He understand that what I want to change this here, right? So he changed here. It's kind of cool, okay? So he understands. So he understands that the field. So here, okay, that's why I made that test. I said I want to replace the fields airworthiness valid. The fields. It changed it. but not this, even though this has the same name, but he understood that this is not a field. This is a statement that the name is errorworthiness valid. I can say change the statements this into why, okay, for example, now you understand. So he changed that and that, but he didn't change this. So you understand. So you can come with a calculation and ask him to change things. Okay, so that's cool. Okay, so now so if we don't have any question, we can go to another type of thing. So
before we get away from that, I asked for Avron. I went to chat and I asked it to create a FileMaker XSL import template, and it told me it couldn't do it, but here's how you would. So what needs more information to be able to actually build one, but it did tell me what the steps were to go ahead and do it.
Let's try another thing. Okay. Write FileMaker calculation to convert, okay, August. So that's what you can do.
Oh, right.
First,
yeah, okay.
Yeah, remember that? Okay,
yeah.
Okay. To convert August into 08/01/2023. That's funny because each time it comes with a different answer. Each time, it's not coming with the same twice, always. So write the FileMaker calculation to convert. Okay, so let's modify this. Okay, a date as text into a date format like this. So submit, change. So that's what he said. The following calculation, but it's not what I was getting before, right? He changed the calculation will display 011 from the input. Okay, so let's copy this code, okay, and let's see if it's true.
It works.
Okay. Boom. But see, okay, so let me see, because this is not what I want, right? So I take this example because I know you had some problem with this, okay? So the calculation will display, it doesn't work. So you can tell, okay, so here we get another way, okay? So let's see if it works. So now it says, I need a custom function to do this, okay? And we can say the custom function is too complicated. So here we get back to where I want. So this is better. Okay. So he said, I apologize to confusion. Let's simplify the approach. Okay. And so you can copy this, right? Copy code, and let's see. That's funny because last time it did a better job than this. So let's see this one. Table is missing. That text. Okay, so I need to put the text here. So August 1st, 2023. Oh, I need a custom function, right? Yeah, it's okay. Let's January. Yeah, month number, value count, month name. Last time, you remember last time he was doing things.
It actually gave us an answer. It wasn't the right answer, but it gave us one.
He gave it, yeah.
Yeah.
So
It's
of
not
course,
that very bottom in your chat on the left, that fixed FileMaker code. It's not that one
where? Oh,
in your list on the side. The very bottom one, is that not
yeah, that's something, fix this
something
FileMaker
else you were
code.
trying to do? Okay.
Yeah, that I fixed the code. He did right. He did the right thing, right? But I need to switch to ChatGPT 4 because I don't it was there. What the question I asked him. I asked him a question. It was there. Yeah, it was there. Okay, it's here. Okay, so I asked him this. So let's do it again. Okay, because he did a better approach. So I did this July 24, right? Okay. So here he said we need a function to convert this, right? So you can use date and text function to convert date from the table. Let's copy this code and see. Always it said why said there's too few parameters in this function. Month, dates. Of course, for my demo, nothing works. It's incredible. It's always the same thing. Okay. It doesn't work. Open, go to manage database file manager, custom function. Okay, start up the custom function. Okay, so let's reformulate. Please write FileMaker converts. Okay, so yeah, this is the approach that he said, a custom calculation to convert, right? So let's copy that code. It's incredible. It was working very well. Just for today, my demo, it doesn't want to work. And I always have this, Okay, so I don't know. Let's try something else because it was working super well. So what can we do? Give me an example. Yeah.
Yeah. I was trying something else over on chat.
Yeah. So what can we try?
I even was trying one time. I was trying to figure out how to remove duplicates, and I couldn't remember how to do the loop step. And so I got a pretty good start, enough to remind me what the steps were.
So what you will? Okay. Let's
So
say.
I said, help me write a script to remove duplicates.
Write me in FileMaker duplicates. Okay, show customer, remove duplicates from the field. Okay. But it said copy code. What can I do with that? I cannot paste this in the script workspace. No, I can. That would be good.
Yeah, it would be nice to be able to. Yeah. The other suggestion David Angel has in there is to have it set up a calculation to format phone numbers.
Yeah.
We kind of did that one-on-one, but let it just do it all the time as opposed to invert this one to that one.
Okay. So write a calc to format. Yeah, but which to format phone number? So it will format in the US because, okay. So let's copy code. Okay, the phone number is 48. Okay.
Just add one at the end.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. So maybe is it the copy paste that makes that? No, it was missing one.
It was missing one. It's
Yeah.
like it forgets about the one at the very beginning of the let statement.
Yeah, he added one. So let's see if this fixed the code. Right. So for the US phone number like this, so now we can say, so that works. So it, you know, it saves you time, you know, but ChatGPT, I think ChatGPT 4 is better than this because, you know, I noticed that it has problem when you ask something like this, it has problem with those parentheses and stuff like this. Let's reformulate this. Boom. Write a calc to format international phone number. Yeah.
We stumped it.
That nothing worked. Nothing worked on my demo. Absolutely nothing worked. It's incredible. I'm using that all day long, and I do a demo and bomb. Okay, so
The curse of
ChatGPT, you know,
doing live.
The
I'm
demo
cursed.
gods are not with you today.
You know, no, I'm doing that all the and the July 24th, we did that together, no? Remember?
Yeah, we were playing with all this. Yeah.
Yeah. Write a calc to format phone numbers in all countries.
Anyways, it's coming back with a, well, okay, the first thing is a script.
Okay, so what he says, first, define a list of country-specific numbers patterns. Okay. Okay, step 2, create the scripts that format the phone number based on the country code. Go to script, then level phone numbers, set parameters. Okay, so let's say I don't want a script, just a calc. Country code US.
Yeah, so it's checking, looking for the pattern that it said we needed to create.
Yeah, but I don't understand what this would do. Oh, the font. So if we define the font, okay, so let's,
the first
yeah,
numbers,
okay, so yeah,
stuff to see
yeah.
what, yeah.
So let's see. So we have a phone. Let's put a phone number here. Do we have a phone number? No.
Probably not called phone.
It's okay.
Yeah, just create one.
Yeah. But we need to play with this. It's funny because the July 24th, it was working super well, and I don't know, maybe it is tired of me, you know, asking 200 times the same.
It's a new month. Everything's been reset.
So if I put like this, so phone, what's going? Oh, we have a phone cell number here. Okay, so okay, I have a phone cell, but we have a you have your own formatted
There's
stuff,
already a
right?
format on it.
Yeah. No, I'm cursed today. I'm sorry. It's okay.
Thankfully, we have 6 days of this, so we can,
No,
work
it's
this out.
you know, sometime, you know, we have this phone cell, so you have your own format phone, right? So we can deactivate this.
Just turn that off and try it.
Yeah. And see what this says. So I have this phone number. I have this code. And I have the type over doesn't work. And it's terrible. Today, I don't know what happened. You know, I have no idea what happened today. I should have put so now he said country code equal.
You need the very bottom one?
Oh, yeah, I need a field country code. Okay. So did I spell it right? Okay, so let's see.
What about that phone in the bottom line? Yeah.
Yeah. Case. Yeah. Okay. So if I put the country code, so it's USDE UKD. Okay. So if I put the country code here, so if I put US, oh, I cannot type. I have no idea why in FileMaker I cannot type. US. If I put DE, DE. If I put UK, UK. Yeah, we're good. So it did the work, by the way. With a very simple.
Gave us the code. We just had to adapt it to our solution with our.
Yeah, yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
So, so that's cool, So we can ask plenty of stuff. What can we ask? Check, so we can do write me a FileMaker calc to check if an email is valid. So let's copy that code. We have an email here, right? So let's say I put Nick. I don't understand. I quit FileMaker. That means I cannot use keyboard anymore in FileMaker.
Yeah, sometimes I found that when FileMaker stops taking input, what I get all the time is the command equals for replace field contents. It's like I have to restart the entire machine sometimes.
Well, that's what I need to do. I need to restart. I need to restart my entire
Keyboard
machine.
just went off again.
Yeah, I stopped it. I cannot type. It's incredible. It's incredible. No, I'm cursed. I'm cursed. Nick, RC consulting.com. For example, this. I'm putting this.
Yeah.
Right, and I want to know if this is valid, right?
Right.
So email. So it's not valid, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's not. It said 0. It's not valid. Okay.
Right.
So let's make it valid.
Easier said than done.
Yeah. RC. Yeah. Here. So if I add this, it says still not valid. Why? This demo was terrible. So everything I had prepared, nothing worked. So what can I do?
It's one of those.
Preparation.
It's incredible. Why is not valid? Tell me. I have a dot. Why is that W plus? Okay, so write another one because I have one that is. Why you said all this complication stuff? Why said all this? If is empty email 0, button count email. I don't know. Anyway, so today was a cursed one. I think
Between Nick being sick and being deeply unlucky.
no, I know sick is okay. I'm fine, but I'm very, confused about all of this because nothing worked, and Ken, we did it together, right?
Yeah.
Discord,
No,
right?
we did this offline last week sometime, and yeah, we kept going through things, and we'd find little things that it would come back with.
Yeah,
and
but
yeah,
it wasn't that, write the calculation to convert July 24, 2023. It's incredible into 07 24 2023. Because that was super cool, actually. I can even show you the custom function it came with. So this is something.
Take a screenshot of it or two as well.
Yeah, I have the custom function. It's there. He gave me a very nice custom function. No, it's the custom function. It's in my custom function.
Oh, you put it in there.
Yeah, it's there. Convert to month. This was perfect.
Yeah, that's it. That's the one.
That's the one. It worked perfectly well. Jerry, and corrected by Nick Hunter because this I fixed it. Remember, I added the get the value counts.
Yes, you
because
did.
Yes. Yeah. So this works. I kept it because it's nice. It's a nice custom function to get this works very well. This works very well. If I use it, you will see. That's why I don't understand why I didn't, if I use the convert month to number, input date, July 24, 2023, poof. It works super well,
Yeah.
August, right? If I put January, it works super well. I don't understand. So, and that's why I kept it. I kept it because it's a very nice one. This is okay. Month map. Yeah, because
you forgot to tell the FileMaker.
Yeah, it's write a FileMaker calculation. Yeah, otherwise he doesn't know. Yeah, so this is exactly what this is it. The custom function,
So the curse has been lifted at least slightly.
I mean, I think so.
David Engels lifted the curse.
I hope. I don't want to be cursed.
Well, he has people lifting the curse in Discord.
Yeah, but it doesn't work. Why? He said this function cannot be found. Where lower word. Where's the word coming from? We don't have a word function in FileMaker. So lower word. See? No, I'm cursed.
With that.
Lower word input dates. Where's the word?
Where's that coming from?
What is the word function? Oh, see, left word.
Oh, okay, yeah.
You fix it. Yeah, we're not out of business yet. But it's not what I want, right?
Well, this is where I think you changed because it was pulling up is this where you kind of change the value count? Because it's also, it's more than that, because you have the slashes there too.
July.
Oh, those should be there. Never mind.
This is not what I want.
No.
I want to convert. Yeah. It's here what it says. Copy code. Yeah, I'm cursed. And here I have the freaking missing. Oh, date input. Okay, July 24, 2023. July. I need the month as a number. So let's copy this code. But anyway, July. Oh, so we back. So here the problem.
Yeah, so this
right. So okay. So
yeah.
So that's what I fixed. Okay, that's what I fixed. Count. Yeah, with the value count. When it's there, get as number, middle word. So here, July, input month 39. Okay.
Because it was counting all the way across January, all the numbers up there to get to July.
No, it's not what I did. So because he put the position of the 29, the output right here, it's a get value position. It's the value count. Yeah, it's value counts. Anyway, so sorry for that. I apologize.
That's exactly what we got to at that one.
Yeah. It's I don't remember. I don't remember what I did to fix this. Value count left. This. Value count left.
Didn't we figure out that if you count across the stuff in the month variable there, that you get to July at position number 39?
Yeah, because in fact, is missing here. Is missing this. But anyway, you need to learn FileMaker more. That's for sure. July 24, 2023.
Interesting to see
so
if
it gets GPT this. It gets, yeah, here instead of 39, the position, try to fix this. So it said 39. So it's value counts on the left. So it was giving me this. It was giving me. So if you want, I can explain what's going on here. Okay. If you take this, right? If you take this and you put here, this is what you get. Okay. So it gets you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have 7 values. If I count the value of this, right? So I needed to get the position is 39. Okay. So why 39? It's because he said, okay, July, start on the position 39. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? So 30, 31, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you start here. 39 is here. If I count this, if I copy this, right? And I say length of this, 39. So he said, okay, I found July start on position number 39. This is what he said here. Position, input name, right?
Right.
When I get the position, I can say, okay, select that text, okay, from the beginning to the 39. And then how many values, how many values I have? 7, right? So if I change to August or September, it's a 9 because September starts here. If I said December, it's a 12, right? And if I said January, okay. And what's good is that works also with with short version, no sept. If you say this, it's a 9. Oct, oct, it's a 10. If it's dec, 12, right? So it works also, it works for the big and the small, right? Yeah. So nice. It was cool, to write this instead of writing this, but you need to fix it. That's a problem, That's a problem. And but I wanted to show you the discussion we had with to how to fix, but sorry for that. So we are not going to issue. I don't want to issue that webinar. it was terrible. No, it's I have no luck. I don't know. Sometimes I want to try ChatGPT 4, because I want to try this and to see how it works, but the 4.
Do you have an idea of what? No, that's exactly what was the upgrade to the 4.
Yeah, it's
the cost. That's what somebody was asking earlier. You just added.
It's $20 a month. $20 a month. Maybe I will do it. I will do it because I'm using the one of my customer. But next week we're going to see how he is using ChatGPT, right? And tomorrow we're going to implement the API into the into the ChatGPT stuff. Yep. We're going to use the API. Okay, so cool. Sorry for the bad demo. It's not my fault.
Thank you, everybody, for coming.
Okay.
Just make a video that says this video is cursed. Do not watch and have a.
Yeah, don't watch it. Don't watch it. It's cursed. Okay.
All right, bye.
See you guys tomorrow.
Bye, everybody.
Got a report of an individual up here who may be a FileMaker license. Well, it's potentially expired. Look in the back of that car right there. Looks like the FileMaker license has expired. Sir, I need you to step out of the vehicle. Sir, step out of the vehicle. Sir!